So hi everyone, this is Akshay, pursuing my BTech third year in computer science stream. So guys, today I will be having an interaction with one of the achiever who dreamed about her goal and she worked towards it in a smarter way. And in order to say, she maintained the consistency and she was obedient to herself, which played a very important role in getting placed at TCS. And she got a package of 3.65 per annum. And it's time to invite her. Shruti, MR, and she is pursuing her fourth year, and she is my senior, and she is also a good friend. Let invite her. Shruti ಅವರೇ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಹಾಯ್ ಅಕ್ಷಯ್ ಅವರೇ.
ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಶ್ರುತಿ ಅವರೇ, ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಿ?
ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಅಕ್ಷಯ್ ಅವರೇ, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನೀವ್ ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ನಾವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀವಿ. So first of all, congratulations Shruti for getting placed at TCS.
Thank you.
And where is the party?
Party after the lockdown, obviously.
After the lockdown, okay. So how are the days are going on, Shruti, in this lockdown?
Days are going normal, fine as usual.
How are your parents are doing? Doing good?
Everybody are fine. Thanks for asking.
So, fine. So Shruti, one thing I would like to ask, after 2 months you will be getting graduated from Geetham. So what are the things you're going to miss from Geetham College?
There are a lot of things which I'll miss. My friends, the fun I used to have in college, my dance class, my hostel life, my canteen, everything. Yeah.
Which canteen? Amrita canteen or other canteen?
Amrita canteen, because I used to spend most of the time over there.
Yeah, I heard that you are a member of Kalarukuti, right?
Yeah.
I think you'll be missing those cultural stuff and all, right?
Yeah, a lot. I miss them a lot.
Yeah. So, Shruti, how you will be discussing about your experience in that class. So, as you said earlier, you got rejected at 4 companies, right?
Yeah.
So, main thing is how you come back plays a very important role. Can you share how did you come back when you got rejection from companies?
So basically, when I was expecting the first company to get selected, so there was like a stone coming on my head saying that you got rejected or something. I was not there in the list of the people who got selected. So I felt very low. So I went and I started working a lot. Mm-hmm. Apart from that, I got personal support from my parents and also from the faculty, saying that you have to work through this, you have to go through this and all. So that is where I started improving myself and learning from the mistakes from each and every company where I used to get rejected. And I am making sure that I'm not repeating the same mistake in the other one. So yeah.
So what you are trying to say is just kindly ignore the opinion of others and have attitude of never give up, right?
Yeah, exactly. You should never think of what others think, or if never lose your self-esteem is the first thing.
So that's really great, Shruti, of you. And what are the support you are getting from your parents and also from the teacher?
Yeah, so basically, as you asked me about the rejection, at that period of time where you see your friends getting placed and you are getting rejected, you feel very low, because ನಾವು ಜೊತೆಲೇ ಓದ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ. Like people will be getting placed. So avaga I went and spoke to my parents that I'm feeling very low. They were like, it's okay to get rejection, 1 or 2 you're gonna get placed at 3. Mistakes na tilko, adan repeat ಮಾಡಬಾರದು. Whenever I used to feel low, I used to call my faculty. I used to ask them where I'm going wrong. So they used to explain me, you have to improve in this field, you have to improve in that field. So that is where I got up all the suggestions, and I used to bounce back very easily.
As you said that, what I believe that just rejection is just a part of a journey. They are like commas in the sentence. They are not the full stop. Right?
Exactly. Yeah, exactly.
So Shruti, we have a common practice of preparation. When we come at a climax of third year, we'll be start preparing for placement and other stuff and all. So what was your mindset when did you start preparing for this placement part and all?
So in my we had this training period going on as usual through the online. So then we got to know that we are getting drives from the college. So we started preparing prior to a week. Actually, that should not be there. You should prepare from the third year. After your exams, you will be free. So you should start preparing at least for the exams, basic exams like APT,
Yeah.
English and all. So yeah, in that time you should start preparing so that when the drive comes or something, you won't panic a lot because you'll be knowing all the topics and all. So
Yeah.
in that period. After third year is what I can suggest you to prepare.
So completely agree with you, Shruti.
Yeah.
So, like apart from that, okay, we are getting support from university. That's fine. So, what are the other extra source you are preferring? Like website will be suggesting any this website and all, right? So, what are the suggestions to your junior? So, what are the sources which they can make use of online platform and all?
There are a number of websites you can go through. Like I went through Java T Point and
Okay.
tutorials point. And apart from that, during my TCS thing, I also took the FACE extra course, which helped me during my TCS because TCS was my some kind of dream job kind of thing. Which so there are a number of platforms based on what IQ level we have, so we can go through that.
So yeah, Shruti, additional to that, I would like to ask. This is my personal opinion from you. So what I'm trying to ask is like since you interaction plays a very important role. Interaction as well as the communication plays a plus point in corporate sector, right? So what is the importance of this soft skills? So any small talk on that?
Yeah, soft skills andre like soft skills ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಮ್ಮನ್ನ ನಾವು represent ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಂಗೆ we are representing ourselves through the way of communication is what I feel.
Yeah.
So you should be confident. For first thing, you should be very confident no matter what, and second, it is not like overconfident. Now confident ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು. You should not freak out when they are asking something, or as it is during now I had online interviews, so there was a chances of interruption or internet bandwidth less or low, so avaga now freak out agbardu, and we should be prepared well. This is the thing.
So what you're trying to say is whatever you say, be confident, right? So
exactly.
Even overconfidence is very dangerous, even the low confidence is very dangerous. Just have confidence, right?
And also your gestures also plays a very important role when you're facing an interview.
Okay, got it, Shruti. Yeah. So as we are come to the destination of our interaction, so any suggestions to your junior?
Can I say the both ways, like in the college life and in the placement life?
Yeah, both. Just combine both and just give a brief destination.
So when it comes to college life, the 4 years are the memorable things. You have to make fun, you have to have memories. It is not like you should be all the time studying, because that can't be the one. And when it comes to placements, you are studying for an hour or something also, you should be studying properly and you should be making yourself well prepared. It is not like, okay, let's take a shot. You can't be like that during the placements. You have to balance both, and that there's 4 years will be memorable if you balance everything.
So ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ಕಟ್ಸ್ ಬಾರಿ ತೊಂದರೆ ಕೊಡ್ತವೆ,
ತುಂಬಾ ತೊಂದರೆ ಕೊಡ್ತವೆ.
So you have to continue the path and you should give 100%, right?
Exactly.
So yeah, Shruti, as I said, we have reached our destination.
Yeah.
So I would like to thank you for making some time to share your experience. I know like you will be busy with this company stuff and all, but thank you for making your time and sharing your experience. And yeah, that's it from my side. So to our audience, I would like to say, stay safe, take care of your families and take care of yourself. Wear mask and be safe, guys. Thank you. Bye bye.
Yeah, and considering me for the interview, and I have to thank you. Thanks a lot for asking me all the questions. I think this will be helpful, even for you and also for you and also for your juniors.
Fine.
And so yeah, and also even from my side, everybody stay safe and be safe. Even you be safe. Yeah, all the best for your placements time, because as you are now like moving from third year to fourth year, all the best.
Thank you, Shruti. Thank you.